The bottom line is we need to get a dog for protection. Like if someone tried to break into our house, I'd want to make sure that they were immediately terrified.
Steve, where did this come from? Did you chew up one of your toys?
Don't bark. Come here. No.
Hey, excuse me. I'm still here. Rotate. Rotate the splashing. No, no.
Are you complaining to me about something?
You just didn't learn. Clearly the trash can didn't work.
Carl, what happened, buddy? Are you stuck?